I have told people over the last couple of years that when I went to the first conference, it was the best conference I've ever been to. They just make it an amazing experience.
I love the Leepfrog User Conference for two main reasons. One, our interaction with the Leepfrog staff. It's fantastic to be able to get to meet and converse in person with these people that we work with.
Just getting to see these guys face to face and making those connections.
Really get to know them. They get to know us better as CourseLeaf employees and really build that dialogue.
Secondly, I love interacting with my colleagues who also use CourseLeaf to hear from them how they're using the product, what they love about it.
It's almost like seeing a family member that you haven't seen for a long time. So these conferences are, in a lot of ways, like a reunion.
It's relevant to what I do. I'm not wandering around wondering what session I should go to. This is all relevant to me and it's all useful.
Plus, the conference is just so enjoyable. Leepfrog does an amazing job of setting this up.
I love the food.
The conference team here, they think really outside of the box, just kind of like our software. They always make sure that the customers and the clients have a great time.
It really shows that they care and want to get things right for us.